Okay, we are going to do a quick demonstration of processing or pre-processing videos that you may have collected using the FieldNeuroToolbox or FNT software. All right, so first we have a folder full of videos. These are AVI videos, but this should work with almost any video type. I forget exactly what I've hard-coded in there, but definitely MP4, MKI, I think, AVI, and a few others. So I think it should be pretty robust to the different video types that you may have, but you should try it. So we have a set of videos. So we have almost, let's say, 643 videos at the moment in this folder. Now I've already actually initiated processing on a subset of these. So part of the exercise for today is to figure out if we already have a folder that are processed from FNT, will FNT actually recognize that some subset of the parent folder has already been processed. So typically I will process videos into an MP4 format, and usually I'm compressing them in some way. So in this instance, we know that these processed videos are processed because A, they're in MP4 format, and B, they are smaller than the videos in the parent folder. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So typically, open up a new Anaconda prompt. It's a little slow because I'm actually recording this via an AnyDesk connection from my house. So anyway, we will already have had FNT installed. I'll make a new video for that at some point in the future. And basically we have several different options here, but today we're going to be using this video pre-processing tool. So we'll go ahead and click that, and this will open up a new GUI window. We're going to go ahead and add a folder. So we'll go here, and video raw, we'll go here, and this is where our folder is. So we'll go ahead and select that folder. Then we have some processing options that we can adjust. So you can adjust the frame rate, the output format. I usually have MP4 AVI, but for right now we're gonna stick to MP4. Because I do a lot of tracking on these videos, I almost always remove the audio because it's not necessary for my behavioral videos, and I convert it to grayscale. There are some advanced options that you can mess with down here, but I typically will leave these as default. And at that point, I will just go ahead and hit start processing. And it looks like it did detect that there are some videos already processed, so it should bring up this dialog box. 292 of 642 videos have already been processed. Output files found in the proc folder, which is good. And so we're gonna go ahead and skip the ones that are already processed. And so this is very useful if you were converting videos and there was some issue, like for instance, in my case, all of my videos are located on an external Synology server, and I believe that the internet just dropped out, and that caused the processing process to halt. So I'm just restarting that from scratch. And that's basically it, and then I usually will let it run. We also will have sort of the output. FFmpeg is the back end for all of this. The GUI is written in Python, but the back end is all FFmpeg. So you can sort of see the output there, which I think is sometimes useful. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stop it there.